नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Kartas, Srimahans, Mahans, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda Yogam participants, Nityananda Hindu University students, Nityananda E-Gurukul students and everyone watching, because suddenly there is a huge surge in viewership. It has gone to 300% more. So whoever is watching for whatever purpose, I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us live on Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten App, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today's revelations from Kailasa, the Parama Shiva Jnana. Listen. This will enlighten you absolutely and empower you absolutely for life. The first truth, Parama Shiva, the pure ultimate consciousness, Paramashanta, Nirvigalpa, Nirakara, Niranjana, Niramaya, that pure Parama Shiva manifests, embodies, and expresses as Parameshwara. Listen. Parama is the grand narrative of Hinduism, whole Hinduism. The whole Veda Agama, Veda Vedanta, Agama Agamanta, whole Hinduism's grand narrative is Parama. Some traditions call as Parabrahma, some Paramapada, some Paramashiva, Parameshwara, Parashakti. Various names are attributed by various traditions to that, but that ultimate is Parama. That is the grand narrative of Hinduism. Understand that Parama, ultimate power, when it embodies the human body or any body, it does not necessarily need to be human body, it can be any body, and manifests itself, it is called Parameshwara. Listen, every word I am uttering today is a powerful cognition. Listen carefully. Just to share these truths to all of you, to the world, I am still alive. I am still protected by Kala Bhairava. Understand? I am still protected by Kala Bhairava, protected by Paramashiva, only to share all these truths with all of you and make this jnana and vijnana as realization in the planet Earth. Listen. Parama, the ultimate. We can call it Parabrahma, Paramapada, Paramashiva, Parameshwara, Parashakti. That Parama, from the pure power space, gets embodied and manifests as Parameshwara. Shivatva, manifesting as Ishwaratva. Power manifests as force. Listen. When the pure spiritual power manifests as pure spiritual force, when Shiva manifests as Ishwara, Paramashiva manifests as Parameshwara. You can call it as also as Paramashiva manifesting as Parashakti. Anything is okay. Because these words are used only to give a rough understanding. Behind these words, there's a huge equations. Sankhya, the multi-dimensional logical equation. So listen. Let me explain this truth clearly. The important message Kailasa, Paramashiva want to convey to the whole humanity is Paramashiva is real. The pure spiritual power is real. He himself embodies and manifests as pure spiritual force, Parameshwara. And when he embodies and manifests pure spiritual force, Parameshwara, he can play with all the forces. Not just these four forces. Science is able to understand the gravity force, gravitational force, and electromagnetic force, and weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. There are other four more. But on all 8, Parameshwara as supreme authority, and he plays with all 8. The good news is every human being can manifest this pure spiritual power through them as pure spiritual force. And every human being manifests this, raises the quality of the consciousness of the individual, himself and the world. Understand? This is the greatest service you will do to the world. If somebody is working for awakening their consciousness, even one powerful cognition they manifest and one power they manifest, they become Parameshwara's Swarupas, the embodiments of Parameshwara, Paramashiva. They raise the quality of the consciousness of the planet Earth. They are blessing for the planet Earth. my only work is to make at least few million people understand this truth and live this science. Understand the truth. The Parama, supreme power, can manifest in us as supreme force, which is superseding authority, which can play with all the four forces science has understood, and there are four more forces science is yet to understand. The four forces science understood is gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. Now, I want you to understand the spiritual force, awakened consciousness, the excited, permanently excited consciousness that brings such tremendous joy, bliss in every being, and such tremendous ecstasy in every being, fulfillment in every being, love in every being. The whole quality of the existence raises. Understand? The first and foremost priority for human life is raising the quality of your existence, quality of your comforts, quality of your relationships, quality of your health, quality of your luxuries, quality of your very life gets just upgraded to the exuberant level once the quality of your consciousness raises. Understand? The quality of the consciousness, the way you perceive you exist, the way you perceive the world exists, the way you perceive humanity exists, and the way you perceive God exists, all that just goes to the different level with the quality of consciousness raising. I tell you, whenever the trust level between me and my disciples go down, I always tell them, hey, increase the quality of your consciousness, quality of your existence. When the trust level goes down, you start doubting me and you start doubting yourself. And you give power to all demonic ideas and thought currents. And when you start doubting yourself and doubting Guru, you feel so much of anger about yourself and Guru and whole Guru-disciple relationship, Sangha, everything, and you start throwing tantrum and you go demonic. And you feel like destroying everything. You feel like murderous and suicidal. Understand? Raising the quality of your consciousness raises the trust level between you and me. Like, zoom. It just shoots up. Zoom. Whenever the trust level between you and me shoots up, goes up, the trust level between you and the life shoots up. Because bhakti, devotion, love, all these are, whether your love for your pet or love for your family, love for the Guru, love for the God, love for the deity, anything fundamentally increases your trust level on life. Maybe your love for the pet increases 2 unit. Your love for your family and relatives increases 5 unit. If you have love for Guru and love for God, the trust on life that just shoots up. I tell you, when the love for life shoots up, it is too easy to connect with Paramashiva and map Paramashiva into you and make him manifest Parameshwara. Make him manifest Parameshwara. You should understand the truth. No one can raise your consciousness other than your integrity to Guru, your integrity to Paramashiva. Only that too can raise your consciousness. Paramashiva manifesting as Parameshwara is the ultimate soft power. Understand? Soft power can neither be disturbed nor be destroyed by any hard power. Understand? When I say I am protected by Kala Bhairava, that's what I mean. I am protected by Kala Bhairava, the ultimate soft power, which is far more powerful than any hard power. I am protected by Paramashiva. I am protected by Kala Bhairava. Paramashiva, Kala Bhairava protects me, Nityananda and Nityananda Sangha. Understand? I am protected just to reveal all the sciences to all of you. I want at least few million people to realize initiated consciousness, excited consciousness, awakened consciousness is more powerful than these 4 forces understood by science: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. I'll read out just few lines from Sarvajnanottara Agama and explain. இச்செய்யுளார் கூறி முடித்த பொருள் என்னையவோ எனின் கடாகாயமும் மகாகாயமும் ஆகாயம் எனும் ஜாதி பொதுமையினால் ஒன்றாவது போல பரமான்மாவும் ஜீவான்மாவும் சித்து எனும் ஜாதி பொதுமையால் ஒன்று என்பதுவும். See, the space inside the pot and the space of cosmos, because of their jati of space, they are one and the same. Same way, Paramatma, Paramashiva, and Jivatma, you, individually what you feel as you. These two, because of the Chit as the jati commonality, it is one and the same. Understand? I wanted to repeat, Hindu God does not get angry if you say you are one with God. Of course, he actually celebrates when you say you are one with him. And not only he celebrates, he initiates you, he encourages you, he supports you, he makes you manifest this soft power, pure soft power. Understand? I'll explain physics, chemistry, and biology of this soft power, the excited consciousness, inspired consciousness, awakened consciousness. Actually, the word excited and inspired, I am using more for you to grasp. You grasp this word excited and inspired more than the word awakened. The awakened looks a little mystical. So, I'm using the word excited and inspired, but all the three I mean same. Here, when I use the word excited, awakened, inspired, I mean same. When you manifest soft power, you become blessing for the humanity. You become so non-violent, life-loving. You become such non-violent, life-loving when you manifest pure soft power. You become beautiful blessing for the planet Earth. All I am trying to do in this world is making more and more people manifest the soft power, the excited consciousness, initiated consciousness, awakened consciousness. That's all. I have nothing else to gain from this world. I have seen all the worst things. I am neither bothered nor can be frightened because I am protected by Kalabhairava. And Kalabhairava is protecting me and inspiring me to manifest this great science of Paramashiva Jnana, Paramashiva Vijnana, and making it as a reality to all of you. Non-violent, pure spiritual strength is the highest power, blessing to the planet Earth. Every powerful cognition I am trying to teach you. See, these are all powerful cognition only. The space inside the part and space inside the cosmos is one and the same because of their jati of space. It's one of the powerful cognition. So, Paramatma, Paramashiva, and Jivatma, your individual soul, both are one and the same because of their jati of consciousness, chit. These are the powerful cognitions. If you meditate on them, understand, these are neither true nor false. These are signs presented as it is. If you meditate on this, it's true for you. If you say, hey, all these are not true, then that's all up to you. Like me, I neither challenge anyone nor fight with anyone. I just live my life. And I know I am protected absolutely by Kalabhairava. Nobody can destroy me. I will live as long as I want in this human frame, freely teaching, sharing this knowledge, science to the whole world. And I'll be eternal, manifesting these truths for the whole universe forever as I want. Listen carefully. I am uttering these words amidst all kinds of attacks, assassination attempts, lawfare, and all kinds of international conspiracy by an international mafia gang. Amidst this, I am uttering these words. Understand? Anybody goes through the persecution, lawfare I am going through during that time, even if they sit straight like me with the spine, head, and neck erect, I am ready to fall at their feet. Paramashiva is protecting me. Kalabhairava is protecting me and my Sangha. Listen carefully. That is why I am so peacefully not only able to think and manifest all these great truths and initiations, sitting and reading all the Shastras, collecting Shastra Pramana for all of you, and sharing with all of you, line by line, verbatim. See, me sitting and sharing the Shastra Pramanas with you all line by line means I am making two important statements. I am living peacefully where I can do all the Shastra Pramanas, analysis, research, and I am living peacefully where I can download all the great truths from Kailasa. Understand? I want all my disciples to know I will be available and making this great work of Paramashiva Jnana and Vijnana sharing with the whole world continuously. And I am not interested in anything. I am not interested in any politics. I am not interested in any hard power. I am not interested in any nation. I am not against any nation. I am not against any religion. I am not against any organization. I am not against anybody. I am neither anti-social. I am not anti-national. I am not anti-India. I am not anti-anybody. I just live my life and do my spiritual work. Teach the spiritual science of Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana. And I am so clear, Paramashiva and Mahakala Bhairava is protecting me and my Sangha. They will, Paramashiva, Mahakala Bhairava, will protect me and my Sangha forever. Beyond anyone's doubts. All you need to know is Bhagavad Gita is so important because it was expressed during the war time in the war scene and it withstood the test of the war. Those principles brought victory. Understand? The pure soft power principles brings victory in life in every situation. Non-violent, soft power principles. Now, what I am teaching is non-violent, soft power principles. Meditate, 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 and cognize deeper and deeper the soft power principles. The awakened consciousness through powerful cognitions. For example, you are deathless, birthless. This is one of the powerful cognition. You can neither be destroyed nor be created. You are eternal. This is one of the powerful cognitions. If you meditate on all this and this excites, awakens your consciousness, you manifest the force, spiritual force, which is beyond the four forces mapped by science: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force. Every day I am alive, I am declaring to the world, Paramashiva is real, Paramashiva Jnana is real. Every human being receiving these great truths and manifesting raises the quality of consciousness of individual and the world. World needs more and more raising their quality of consciousness and being blessing for the world. See this very popular movie series, Star Wars. In it, the good guys fight against the dark forces. The Jedi Knight, his greeting and blessing is, may the force be with you. We should say that, may the spiritual force be with you. May Paramashiva's force be with you. So understand. The physics of Paramashiva manifesting as Parameshwara. Paramashiva, Parashakti, one and the same, and both manifesting as Parameshwara. You should say Videha Mukti and Jivan Mukti. The pure consciousness as Paramashiva is Videha Mukti. Paramashiva and Parashakti as Videha Mukti. When it manifests as embodied Parameshwara, it is called Jivan Mukti. It is real, really, really real. Because it is really only I am still alive. Because it is real only, I am still alive and sitting and sharing these truths to all of you. I'll continue to expand. Listen. Non-violent life positive existence from the context of you are pure consciousness. You are Paramashiva. Understand? You can follow many of the good things for various reasons. Sometimes you may follow vegetarianism just because good for health. That will only give you health. But if you are following vegetarianism because you are Paramashiva and you feel one with that every animal, then that practice gives you the experience of oneness with Paramashiva. Understand? Reason why you do what you do matters. Cognition from why you do what you do matters. If you become vegetarian just for the sake of health, you get only health. If you become vegetarian because you cognize you are Paramashiva, not only you get health, you get all the soft powers. And the spiritual beauty comes with the soft powers. The foremost spiritual beauty comes with soft power is extreme grace and restful awareness, Paramashanta, inside you. No one can send chills in your spine. Understand? I was told some of the media houses are trying to project and present some places as where I am residing. I wanted to make it clear. I am not saying I am not residing in those places. I am not saying I am residing in those places. I am not saying I was residing in those places. I am not saying I was not residing in those places. I am not saying Kailasa owns that places. I am not saying Kailasa does not own that places. I am not making any of the statement affirming or negating. I am only saying this kind of propaganda can only be supporting the international mafia attempting to assassinate me. But none of this sends any chill in my spines. That is all I want to convey. Understand? The spiritual power and spiritual force is such, it brings tremendous grace in you. No earthquake, no spine quack, only Kundalini force. Understand? Paramashiva, when he manifests in you, first thing, all fear disappears and you become pure consciousness. Extremely loving, caring. Understand? Only when you feel powerful, loving, caring, you become non-violent but strong, cannot be frightened. cannot be cowed down, cannot be exploited. I have a question from Tamal Tarun Das. Are Shakti, energy, power, and recently introduced word force the same? Listen. When I use the word Shakti, energy, power, pure Paramashiva, Parashakti, when that manifests through the body, Parameshwara, I call that as force. Parameshwara's force, spiritual force, soft force, is superior, supreme authority than the four forces mapped by science: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. Tamal Tarun Das, understand this introduction of the principles. Paramashiva embodying is Parameshwara, power embodying is force. Paramashiva and Parashakti is one and the same. Shakti, energy, power, all the three words I use for Paramashiva and Parashakti. Force I use for Parameshwara. Pure spirit, Paramashiva. Embodied spirit, Parameshwara. Understand? Tamal Tarun Das, I think you understand. If you don't understand, you can elaborate your question. You are too sincere, I know. I love you and your son. My blessings for you and your son. So if you have any questions for deeper understanding, bring it. I'll answer. Beyond even my doubt or conviction, I can see Paramashiva manifesting through me as Parameshwara, and Paramashiva, Parashakti, Parameshwara, Mahakala Bhairava protecting me and my Sangha. Understand? As I told you multiple times, I am not legally savvy, or I am not the guy who knows the strategies, how to do strategies. I only know if I close my eyes, I see the feet of Paramashiva, real. I am holding on to that. I am relaxing into that. I am surrendering into that. That's all I know. And I know Paramashiva, Parashakti, Parameshwara, Mahakala Bhairava is protecting me and my Sangha. That's all. Be pure channel for spiritual force, soft power. Everything, all the best things will manifest in your life. You become God, Devatas. Devatas are pure soft power. Demons are confused. Each one of you became a pure soft power. Understand that. Absolute pure soft power. Do not worry at all. Worry and confusion has no place in the life. As I was explaining yesterday, whenever the powerful cognitions like you are Paramashiva, you start cognizing and meditating. Unclutching is one of the most powerful cognition. Completion is one of the most powerful cognition. Whenever you start doing all that, you become master of these four forces: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong, weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. And you start manifesting powers. And I tell you, you become pure non-violent being, absolute enlightenment, absolute consciousness, an absolutely cute, sweet, loving. Even your anger is too cute. Hey, eat well, properly do yoga, meditate, and be integrated. Don't waste your life. Non-violent screaming. Consciousness does not carry violence. Consciousness does not have the strategy for exploiting. Consciousness feels more and more. Each consciousness should be empowered. I'll give you a few minutes. If you all can write 21 powerful cognition, it can be like a Paramashiva is real. You are deathless and birthless. You are pure consciousness. You see, whatever powerful cognition excites you, inspires you, feels wow, wow, it clicks with me. Powerful cognitions which clicks with you, excites you, inspires you, awakens you. Powerful cognitions clicks with you, excites with you, awakens you, inspires you is called Sankhya of consciousness. Sankhya Yoga. The multi-dimensional logic of consciousness. I want all of you now take few minutes and write just 21 powerful cognition which excites you, inspires you. Paramashiva is real. My Guru is Paramashiva. I declare my integrity to my Guru. My Guru always protects me. Kalabhairava always protects me. Paramashiva manifests through me. Whenever I remember, Paramashiva is blessing me. Mahavagya is real. Anything which excites you, inspires you, awakens you. Pen down 21 powerful cognition. Because today I wanted to initiate all of you and manifest these four forces. Because I wanted to guide the great truths of physics, chemistry, and biology of these four forces. Let's do. Let's do. So I'll give you a few minutes now. Pen down These 21 powerful cognitions.
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
Yes, listen now. I have one more question from Tamal Tarundas. Pranam and gratitude, Swamiji. What is the Sanskrit equivalent word for force as mentioned in our scriptures? This will help us for translation works. Listen. I'll roughly use the word Ishvara Shakti. Ishvara Shakti can be the rough word equivalent for force. Ishvara Shakti is much deeper word, but as on now we can use that word for translating force. Okay. Now, I wanted to read out the original scripture. Few words, few lines. Please listen. It's from Sarvajnanotragama. As I said that these are direct words of Paramashiva to Subramanya and translation by my own Paramaguru, my Guru's Guru. It's too sweet. Just to respect the Guru Parampara, I wanted to read out the original words. இந்த வண்ணம் யாதொருவன் அறிகிறான் அன்றான் அவனே நாம் அவனே சர்வஞனான பூரணனாம் முந்திய தத்துவ சாலம் வித்தாரமாக மொழியாக மங்களூர் சாரத்தின் இந்தவாக மத்துரைத்த யோகத்தை தேர்ந்தே இதற்குமேல் அறிபொருள் வேறில்லை எனத் தெளிந்தே சிந்தை விகற்பங்களெல்லாம் போய்க்காயங்கழிந்தார் சிவசுபாவந்தனது சுபாவமாயிருப்பன். Good that almost 42 years I am completing, I am able to read these small letters without spectacles. Thanks to Paramashiva. I'll read out the translation and commentary by my guru, my Paramaguru, my guru Panduranganaar, his guru Muttaya Pillai. Panduranganaar used to tell that அவர் முத்தையா பிள்ளையிடம் பாடங்கேட்டதாக பல விஷயங்கள் பாடங்கேட்டதாக அவர் சொல்லி இருக்கிறார். பாடங்கேட்டல் இஸ் த ஓல்ட் வே ஆஃப் லிசனிங், ஹியரிங் ஃப்ரம் த குரு. இவ்வாகமத்திற்கூறியவாறு எவன் ஒருவன் அறிகின்றானோ அவனே நாமாகும், அவனே முற்றுணர்வுடைய பூரணனாகும். தத்துவ கூட்டங்களின் தோற்ற ஒடுக்கங்களைப் பற்றி விரிவாகச் சொல்லுகின்ற முந்திய ஆகமங்களிலுள்ள சாரத்தின் சாரமாக இந்த ஆகமத்தின் கண்ணே சொல்லப்பட்ட யோகத்தை தேர்ந்து சீவான்மா பரமான்மாவோடு ஐக்கியமாதலை கூறும் இப்பொருளுக்கு மேல் அறியப்பட வேண்டியதான பொருள் வேறொன்று இல்லை எனத் தெளிந்து மனத்தின் கண்ணுள்ள சங்கற்ப விகற்பங்களெல்லாம் அறவே நீங்கி ஊழின் பயனை அனுபவித்துக் கொண்டிருந்த உடல் கழிந்த விடத்து சிவத்தின் சுபாவமே தனது சுவானுபவமாக வாழ்வன். சகல ஆகமசாரமான இவ்வாகமத்துட் கூறப்படும் சிவ பர ஐக்கியத்தை தேர்ந்து தெளிந்தவன் சிவமாக வாழ்வான் என்பதாம். ஆன்மாவின் தன்மை சார்ந்ததன் வண்ணமாதலின் முற்றுணர்வுடைய பூரணனை சார்ந்த விடத்து அவ்வாறு அதற்கு அழுக்கில்லை என்பது உணர்த்துதற்கு அவனே நாம், அவனே சர்வஞனான பூரணனாம் என்றார். இதன் கட்படும் கடாவிடைகளெல்லாம் மேல் 2வது செய்யுளினும் 14வது செய்யுளினும் கூறப்பட்டிருத்தலின் அவ்விடங்களிற் காண்க. சமயங்களும் சமய சாத்திரங்களும் பலவாதலின் அவற்றுள் அங்கமிது அங்கி இது என நிர்ணயிக்கப் புகுவோர்க்கு தத்துவங்களே ஆதாரமாகும். ஆகவே தத்துவங்களில் வைத்தே மதமும் மறுப்பும் நிர்ணயிக்கப்படுகின்ற படும் என்றாரவாயிற்று. இதனை ஆகின்ற 90 ஆடோரும் பொதுவென்ப ராகின்ற வாரரான் அருஞ்சைவர் தத்துவம் ஆகின்ற 47 வேதாந்தி வைணவர்க்கு ஆகின்ற 4 ஐந்துமாம் ஆவாதிக்கே எனும் திருமந்திரத்தாலும் அறிக. It is too sweet to read the original words of the gurus. That is the reason I read the Shastra Pramana. Now, I want to lead all of you into meditation. Understand, all Mahavagyas are powerful cognitions. Like Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi. Even if you go on telling everyone, you are that, world is God, world is Paramashiva, world is ultimate, Paramashiva is ultimate, everything in front of you is ultimate. Naturally it seeps into you and you become ultimate. Understand? You are the collection of everything you perceive as second person and third person. First person is the totality of what you perceive as second person and third person. And second person and third person is nothing but the manifestation of what you perceive as first person. Remembering first person is Paramashiva will make second person and third person also as Paramashiva. Remembering second person and third person as Paramashiva We'll also make the first person as Paramashiva. That's it. So now, sit and meditate on all these Mahavagyas which excites you, inspires you, awakens you. With the grace of Paramashiva, Parashakti, Mahakala Bhairava, Mahaganapati, Mahanandi, Mahasubramanya, all the gods and goddesses of Kailasa. I'll open the space of Kailasa, request them to allow all of us to experience Kailasa. So, these powerful cognitions can become reality in us and enlighten us. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Start meditating. Let Paramashiva manifest his state, space, powers, being and superconsciousness in all of us.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 Nityananda Paramashivoham. नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्या
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्. With this, I bless you all. Let's all manifest the state, space, powers of Paramashiva. Let's have power manifestation session now. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.